All right. Well, today I am going to be planting some blueberry bushes. And it looks like we're going to get some rain pretty soon, so I should probably get going on this. Got my gloves, got my raised flower boxes, which I'm putting the blueberry bushes in. You want to have them at least as deep as your pot and then some. I've got the Stay Green Flower and Vegetable Garden soil. It has fertilizer added to it, which will give these a good start. And I'm going to put, these flower boxes are 24 by 24, I do believe. Rip these bad boys open. I'm not exactly sure how many bags these will hold. So, you want to get a good fertilized soil when you're transplanting any kind of bush, especially fruit bushes. Spread it out. And this looks like it might take 3 bags of this. Fortunately, I bought 15 bags because the rest of them are going to go in the garden itself. Okay. This is the most work. Right here. You just dump it in there. Now to keep the deer out, I do have some rosemary that I've transplanted over here. Deer do not like the smell of rosemary and they will stay away. But these are very small rosemary bushes. So until they mature and get bigger, I will put a fence up around these blueberry bushes because they actually have berries growing on them. That's going to be 3 bags for each one. So, I use my trusty little trowel to break these open. Very simple. There is no threat of frost or anything, so these should thrive quite nicely. These are about 10 inches high, by 24 by 24. And I had tilled up the soil underneath so that for that it will be able to get the roots reach down in there. Now in the center of these boxes, I'm going to put a hole the depth of the pot plus a little extra because I'm going to plant it right down in there. This is pretty moist, this soil. So, and I've recently watered these so they're good and moist. I don't need to put water in the hole for them. Place that down in there. Put the soil around it. Simple as that. I'll give it a good watering after I get the other one planted, and then I will put a fencing around it. So it's kind of like a raised bed, but I'm making these into a blueberry bush box. So hopefully y'all will try this out, because hopefully I'll get enough blueberries to make some blueberry jam. And that way, your Barefoot Country Cook will be back in the kitchen again.